Can I tell you something? Have you ever spent hours using AI tools to create digital stickers, but still didn't get the results you were looking for? I faced the same problem. That's when I discovered Kittl, a powerful tool that creates clean, high-quality, and fully editable digital stickers. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact process of creating professional digital stickers using Kittl and explain what makes it different from other AI tools. Make sure you watch till the end so you don't miss any important steps. So let's get started. First, open Kittl and create a new project. Set the artboard size to 1200 by 1200 pixels and keep the DPI at 300. This is a standard size for high-quality digital stickers. Once the editor opens, we will start creating a Valentine's Day digital sticker set. At the very bottom of the editor, you will see a small rectangular box with a star icon that says, "Describe what you want to create." Click on it. After clicking, the box will expand. At the top, you will see options like Generate Image and Remix Image. The main area contains a large text field where you type your prompt. Below the text field, you will find clickable suggestion chips along with a More option for additional styles. At the bottom of this panel, there are customization controls for style, AI model, resolution, aspect ratio, number of images, and privacy. On the right side, the Generate button becomes active once you enter text. Before creating anything, let's adjust the settings. The first option is Style. When you click on it, you will see different styles such as vector, illustration, pattern, and more. For this tutorial, we will keep it set to auto for the best results. Next is the AI model. This is where Kittl is different from other tools. Kittl provides multiple premium AI models that work directly inside the editor. With a Kittl Pro plan, you get access to all these tools in one place. For this project, select Nano Banana Pro. After that, set the aspect ratio. Then choose the number of images you want in the result. Always keep this number low to save tokens, so we will set it to 2. Next, choose the privacy option. If you are using the Pro plan, you can keep your design private so no one else can see it and it remains exclusive. Now everything is set and we are ready to create our sticker set. I will enter the prompt to generate the Valentine's Day digital stickers. This prompt will be shared in the description box below for easy use. After entering the prompt, click Generate and wait for the results. Kittl has created 2 versions of the sticker set. The second one is not looking good, so we will skip it. The first one looks much better. As you can see, the illustrations are clean, the fonts are clear, and the overall quality is very good. However, I want to make some changes to this design without changing the entire layout. This is where Kittl's special feature comes in. First, select the artboard. Then go to the right side menu and click on Smart Artboard. This is a powerful Kittl feature that allows you to modify your design while keeping the original version safe. I have explained this feature in detail in one of my previous videos. Here, I'll enter a new prompt to adjust the colors and modify a few stickers in the set. All of these prompts will be shared in the description. The new result has been generated, but the colors still feel slightly faded, so I'll create another Smart Artboard to further enhance and refine the colors. I'm providing a prompt to achieve better results with enhanced colors. Now we have a new version with improved colors. It is better, but still not perfect. So instead of continuing with this version, I will go back to the first original artboard and apply another prompt. This is the best part about Kittl. Your original design never disappears, and you can tweak it as many times as you want. This time, the result looks perfect. Next, we will convert this artboard into an image. After converting, if you zoom in, you may notice that the stickers look slightly blurred. To fix this, add another Smart Artboard and give the command to convert the image to Ultra HD. This will upgrade the sticker set to 4K resolution. And now the stickers will stay sharp even when zoomed in. After that, convert the artboard to an image again and remove the background. Place the sticker set neatly on the artboard. You can duplicate the artboard and arrange it properly if needed. Finally, make small color adjustments to enhance the overall look. Adjust brightness, contrast, hue, and saturation to improve the overall clarity and sharpness. Now you can see how we created multiple versions of the same design without losing the original. This is how you can easily create a clean, professional Valentine's Day digital sticker set using Kittl. Lastly, to create individual stickers, paste the design onto a new artboard, crop each sticker separately, and resize it to the required size. And that's it for this tutorial. You've now seen the complete process of creating a Valentine's Day digital sticker in Kittl, from setting up the artboard and generating designs with AI to refining colors, enhancing resolution, and exporting high-quality stickers. The key takeaway is how easily you can experiment with different versions using Smart Artboards without ever losing your original design. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check the description for all the prompts used in this video. Try them out, customize them to match your own style, and start creating your own professional sticker sets. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.